So what is a patent wall? It provides comprehensive coverage, wall-to-wall coverage, so that competitors are unable to find a way to penetrate your product offering. How is this done? You can do that by filing multiple patents to cover various aspects of a core technology or a product. So for example, if you were a dental company, you would have technologies in scanning the teeth. You might have technologies to fabricate the teeth using 3D printing. You also might have technologies to the computer-aided design to move the teeth to, the prescription requirement. So each of the three technology is a specific bit of technology. It should be protected under this comprehensive coverage plan. And filing multiple patents to cover multiple aspects of the core technology or product provide you with defensibility, because now you have multiple legs for the portfolio to survive. For example, and this is comparable to investing in a stock market. You wouldn't want to invest in one company. You would want to invest in a basket, in a portfolio with many stocks. So what does this do? It provides layered protection. When you create overlapping patents, it becomes difficult for competitors to try to work around or design around your patent portfolio. And so you can layer this in terms of quantity as well as in terms of a variety of different technologies. So you want diversity in technologies being patented. We would also recommend that you have continuous innovation and you patent them. So if you regularly file new patents, you can keep the wall updated and relevant to protect your designs. You might also want to think about strategic timing of these patents. So you stagger them out over time, and that's time diversity. And what does that do? It gives you a portfolio with different time frame, the lifetime. And another trick you can do is you can use a combination of provisional patenting and non-provisional patenting to extend the life of the patent. So how does that work? A provisional application, you file them, it'll last for 1 year, and then what you do is you file a non-provisional within that 1 year. So now the life of that patent that issues from the non-provisional is a total of 21 years. And so that's how you can stagger it to create additional life, the longevity for your portfolio. You should also consider use of broad and narrow claims. The broad claims allow you gives you a great licensing position, whereas the narrow claims are defensible. So if you need to go to court, you probably want to find the narrow claims that is infringed, because that's the best bet. It's hard for people to knock out a narrow claim that is infringed. And so that's, these 5 steps constitute the patent wall strategy for startups.